Oh, hey, hi there. Real quick, I wanted to show you what I've been up to. So on Easter, I did this little bunny painting, and then I started the Pantone postcard challenge. And so the first day, I was inspired by it, but I didn't incorporate the color, so I had to like etch it out on the little corners you could see. And then the second day, I used the yellow of the card to make the flower color. And then the third day, I did a self-portrait, and the pink is the skin, and I did them pretty monochromatic. Oh yeah, and the other thing I did was I made a list of 10 different types of paintings, like portraits, landscapes, cubism, animals, etc. And then I'm just kind of drawing, and then I'm going to go through that cycle so that I'll practice 10 of those, each of those. So that day was portrait. So I did a self-portrait. And I might do the whole series of self-portraits, who knows, right? And then this day, I think, was probably animal. And I used the Pantone color as the background. Oh, yes, and I was having a problem with, I wanted to paint with gouache, but it wasn't sticking. So then I went and bought this clear gel medium, but in matte, but it wasn't really matte, but then I could paint with gouache. Anyway, I'm going to go back to acrylic. It wasn't matte, so it made the background shiny. You'll see that coming up here. But anyway, this is day 5. And this is the color in the avocado. And it was vegetables that day. Fruit and vegetables. So, and then angels on this day, and the Pantone color as the background. And then cubism and the background, and you can see that it's not matte, so I don't like that. I'm gonna go back to painting with acrylic. And then landscapes, and this is one of my all-time favorite landscape that I've been doing since I was a little girl, and I love it, and I have many iterations of it. Anyway, thanks for checking out my art. Talk to you later. Bye.